When black cats sprawl and pumpkin bloom, may luck be yours on this Halloween. Going by the super popular saying, if you want to feel all pumped up and lucky like me on October 31st with your friends and flatmates, then you need to be a little bit quirky. Since this is your first Halloween miles away from home, it's important to put emphasis on inclusion and creativity. Whether it be to attract a number of students or neighbors or host a philanthropic event on this day, it's totally up to you. But it's important to remember to get loose and be creative. Hi everyone, this is Sanskriti, your study abroad buddy. And just for a change, today we are going to talk about some fun things, tips and tricks to do on this Halloween. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do is go to a pumpkin festival. It was first originated in Penn State and since then it has been an annual celebration here. Since there is no age bar, each one of you can participate in this. All you need are big fat pumpkins and some enthusiasts to either decorate it or carve it out. There are some family-friendly games which includes pumpkin giveaways. Another thing that you can do is all-ale Halloween. This is one of the most common and spookiest traditions of all time. All you have to do is wear peculiar costumes and visit your dorm room friends. For making it more merrier, you can go and hit their doors when the clock strikes midnight and see if fun or fear strikes them. The third thing that you could do is Hayley Howl. If you are someone who's into dread and horror, then this is going to be your favorite genre. All you have to do is gather some friends and go into a courtyard or backyard when it's dark, or even a dimly lit room might work. Then you have to hit the movie that's the scariest, like maybe Exorcist or Omen. And now coming to the fun part, you have to mimic the spookiest scenes from the movie and howl at the moon together. The last thing that you can do is a Halloween show. If you and your homies are into rom-coms and pompous shows, then why not come together on this Halloween, vibe to music, wear glittery clothes and all that glamour. Because at the end of the day, don't you think it's all about having fun and being creative? So why not come together, wear fancy clothes, headgear and hit the screens at VRs? I'm sure you'll grab a lot of attention. So hurry up and try your hands on these crazy ideas and make this 31st a memorable one. Happy goofing around you all. See you all in the next video. Signing off.